a very important term in environment, and that is bilge dumping. Before we understand what is bilge dumping, let's understand what is bilge water. So let's say this is a ship that is going in the water. Now this ship, the region exactly below the ship is the region which is known as bilge water. Now, why it is called as bilge water? Because the ship in itself is a huge machinery. It has pipes, engines, fuel oil, and the waste of that, the chemicals and the heavy metals get exactly accumulated below the ship as the ship moves in the high seas. Now, this water is considered as one of the most dirty waters from the ships, and this is enough to suffocate the fishes which are actually closer to the sea ships in the seas. Now, this can suffocate the fish. Even if the fishes survive, they can have a negative impact on the offsprings with a smaller heart, affecting the larva and lesser chances of survival for the newborns. So this bilge water is considered as one of the most major source of pollution in the regions where the ships run. But besides this, there is something illegal that goes on, and that is what is bilge dumping. So, along with the bilge water, which is being off the ships in the waters, the toxics are being carried in the ships and dumped in the high seas through this in the regions of this bilge water, right? So this was initially identified by radar satellites, but these radar satellites, by the time they send the signal to the radar and back to the center, the ships actually move forward, and it becomes hard to trace whether the pollution has been created by the ship. Later on, with the advanced AIS technology, that is automatic identification system, which is nowadays important for the ships, because these automatic identification system actually helps avoid the collision and the same path for the vessels. So this system actually detects the real time exact time and space location. So the track of the oil spill, or the oil strike can be detected, and the bilge dumps have increased significantly. In 1 year, nearly 1500 dumps in the European Union waters have been seen. And this in the European Union waters, which have been identified, is nearly 5 times more toxic than the Exxon Valdez disaster. Now, this disaster is a very less heard name. This happened in 1989, and this is considered as one of the most disastrous marine accident that we could say that happened in the marine waters. Now, to understand this bilge dump, what is important is the toxins are being carried in the ship, and once they are in the ship, specifically when the weather is bad, when there is dark areas or night, or during the high seas, not in the coastal areas where the ships are being docked, but when the ships are moving into the high seas, these toxins are dumped. And this created one of the major pollutions or the major issues, which is known as bilge dumping. However, there are no stringent international guidelines as of now, but this definitely needs a proper check. There have been damages to the marine life because of it, and now with multipolar and multi-frequency radar systems, this dumping can be identified at a better pace, and legal matters can be sought in the international courts. So this is a really important topic from your environment point of view. We'll be covering many such environmental topics. Stay tuned. Have a wonderful day.